Hi, my name is Audrey, and tonight we are going to be trying butterscotch chips. So we have the first one from Great Value, and we have the second one from Baker's Corner. And my hypothesis is that I'm not really going to be able to tell a difference at all when my eyes are closed and my nose is pinched. I think that's going to make it really difficult, but I think it's also going to be really difficult when just my nose is pinched, even and my eyes are open. And we're just going to be doing the eyes closed nose pinch test. Okay. Not a lot of difference there. I can't even taste them. There's not any texture difference either. This is the eyes closed but nose not pinched test. See if I can tell a difference in the taste or anything at all here. Okay. They still taste almost exactly the same. I have no idea. Their texture is the same. I do not know. A nose pinch test. And we're gonna see if this affects me. I'm gonna be able to see the chips, but I'm not gonna be able to smell them. So we'll see if that has any effect on it. Okay. That last one tasted a bit creamier than the first one, but other than that, I still really can't tell the difference. This is the normal taste test. My eyes are open and my nose is not pinched, so we're gonna see if I'm gonna be able to guess the correct one. Okay. We got this. We got this. I'm gonna guess the first one is Baker's Corner and the second one is Great Value. I feel like the Great Value ones are a bit creamier and the Baker's Corner aren't as creamy. I think that's what I'm gonna go with.